The first big challenge most companies face after deciding to do a video is, what do we want to say? We have a process here at Greenworks that begins with a discussion with senior writer-producer Brian Doubleday. He'll tell you that when it comes to web video, like the home page, products page, or any of a number of areas on your website, the process we use is the same for each. Start with a brief introduction. List the 4 or 5 most important things you want the viewer to take away. And end with a call to action, such as clicking on a link, making a phone call, or simply inviting them to fully explore your site. You don't have to write a full script. We'll help you with that. Just get a basic outline down on paper or in your discussion with Brian, and he will craft a script that has just the right message and tone you want your visitors to experience. Can we help in writing a script? It's what we do here at Greenworks every day.